Hey everybody, this is Tech Teach again. In this lesson, we're looking at activity 1.2.3, electrical circuits and simulation. And we're going to go to this website. So you'll have to push Control and hit click to get to this website. It's actually a Java program that allows us to use the construction kit, circuit construction kit out of Colorado. You can click on Run Now, or you can click on Download it to your computer, make your little icon and run it all the time. If you have a website, you can also embed it in your website. Let me resize the screen so you can see the whole screen here. This is a work area that you're going to add electrical components to, and this is your toolbox here. You can add wire. Back behind here where it says grab a wire, it's a resistor, a battery, a light bulb, or a switch. And you have your properties over here on the side where you can save or load a circuit that you've already made. You can look at things lifelike or schematic. You can show the values of each part that you've put on there. And you have some tools. They have a voltmeter, an ammeter, and then you have something called a non-contact ammeter. Instead of being part of the circuit, you can put this right on top of the wire and it'll tell you what the amps are. And then you can view it in large, medium, and small. And then you have an advanced. When you click on show, it shows you a little bit more detail right here with wire resistivity, and you can show or hide the electrons and that kind of stuff. So to get started, what we'll do is we'll just drag the wire in. I'll drag a resistor and put it next to it. We'll keep going around the corner here. You can change it on the fly. You can stretch the wires and those kinds of things. Add another resistor here. I'll add a wire. Now I think I'll add a switch. The circuit that we're making right now is an example of a series circuit. All of our components are in a big loop, and it's the most common kind of DC circuit. And now I'll add a battery or two. These are 9-volt batteries. And I can either add more batteries to increase the voltage, or in this simulation game I can just add more voltage to each battery. In this case I've got 2 batteries in series connected to each other. That would create 18 volts of electricity, and the electricity would flow around a circuit whenever the light switch is turned on. So when I click on it, you see the light that we have here. If I click on show values, now you can see all of the values of each component. 9 plus 9 is 18. This is a 10 ohm resistor light bulb, 10 ohm resistor, 10 ohm resistor. If I want to change the values of it, then I can right click on the component, and now I can add more resistance. Now take a peek at what's happening to the light. If I take resistance away, then I get a brighter bulb. If I add more resistance, I get a dimmer bulb. So the other way I can add is I can change the voltage, and I can add more voltage to each one of the batteries and increase the voltage. So it's a real simple way of drawing circuits and diagrams, and we'll be using this to do the activity in the near future. So good luck, and check the next web page or tutorial out, and we'll do a parallel circuit.